moving along here, so dividing decimals here. So what's the first step to dividing numbers that are not whole numbers? In other words, decimal numbers. The first step to dividing numbers that are not whole numbers is to make the divisor a whole number by moving the decimal point to the right. For example, we have 6300 divided by negative 3/10. Best way to visualize this problem is through long division. So step one, here let's see step one. Okay. Notice here that we have a negative sign here. We're going to apply this last. We must have basic knowledge that a positive divided by a negative will ultimately come out to a negative. So we're going to apply the negative at the end. Right. So how many times does 3/10 go into 6300s? Well, the first step says, let's take the 3/10 and make it a whole number. So if we take the decimal point, and we jump over one place value to the right, okay, it will officially be a whole number. And what we do to our divisor, we must do to our dividend. So step two, repeat the process, but this time to our dividend. Okay, so we move it one place value to the right, making this 6 3/10. So we're not going to leave this question halfway done. We're going to go ahead and give you step 3 and then step 4. So step 3 says, well, where we place the decimal point within the dividend, we have to place it right on top of the quotient. So since the decimal place value is between 6 and 3, well, the decimal point is going to be between 6 and 3 on the quotient side. And step 4 would be just divide as usual at this point. So 3 goes into 6 twice. Okay, 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. We bring down the 3/10. And 3 goes into 3 once. And 3 times 1 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So there's no more remainder, and we don't need to add any placeholders, any zeros here. And step 4 will be to apply the negative sign at the end here. So the answer to the question is negative 2 1/10.